Things are getting insane. Absolute madness for AMC. We got the earnings covered for you. What happened in the earnings call? We got all that covered and what it means for you as a holder of AMC, plus technical analysis and everything else. So let's go ahead and get in the video and the charts and get going. All right, we're here with the charts, and we have a lot to cover for AMC and GME. Mostly AMC, as the earnings report dropped on AMC, and we have the news for you. So let's go ahead and drop what happened in the news for the earnings that you need to know. So AMC, basically, Aron dropped a bombshell and said we own 90% of the float, which means if we own 90% of the float, that basically confirms naked shorting. So by naked shorting, that means that there's going to be synthetics, which also reconfirms the short squeeze. Now, he obviously can't go out and say that because naked shorting is illegal, and that would be putting accusations out there. But basically, how could they get the shares to borrow if we own 90% and counting of the float, and retail considers and keeps buying more and more and more? And by the float, that means the total amount of shares. So this confirms the short squeeze thesis. And if you've been following this, you already know this. If you've been following my channel, you already know this because I've already covered all of this. Also, he dropped the news that they're going to be accepting cryptocurrency. I've also covered this on my channel as well. Like and subscribe for more. Also, check the links down in the description for free crypto or free stocks. So go ahead and we can also check out the technical analysis and give you a price prediction for this weekend on this video. There's many bullish structures here on the daily time frame. If you look, we have this double bottom, which could take us to higher lows and bring us back up in here to the $30 region. But I don't think that's going to happen immediately. Right now, we're in this channel. What I think is going to happen is we're going to retest $20 and either hit our head off $20 and come back down to like the $18 or $17 range, and that's going to be the lows for this week. $17 probably, and the high of $22. If we go to $20 and we don't hit our head, we'll probably shoot up to $22 and then meet some serious resistance here. As you can see, it's a serious resistance zone. But we have this inverse head and shoulder on the hourly time frame. If you go ahead and look on the hourly time frame, if this was your shoulder here, this is your head, and this is your other shoulder, that would take us up about to here to the $20 region. Also, this double bottom on the daily time frame, so bounce up here would take us to the $20 region. And right now, the most logical thing is we remain in this channel on the smaller time frame and retest the $20 region. Probably tomorrow we'll see a retest of the $20 region after all of this news. But expect extreme volatility tomorrow. It's going to be very volatile because of all the news. He basically confirmed naked shorting. He said we owned 90% of the float. They'll be selling popcorn. They're going to be getting into NFTs. Many things, and they just beat market earnings by a huge amount, biggest by 2 years. So that is the rundown on basically some technical analysis on AMC and what happened in the earnings, and this further confirms the short squeeze thesis. We also have huge gamma action with 17,311 calls. If we can get above $19 before March 4th, which is Friday this week, which could cause them to buy shares to cover their positions because of the market makers needing to cover their positions on the call options. If we can get above $19, which would cause us to move to where? $20, and could possibly move to $22 by the end of this week. If not, I'd be looking for lows of $17 and an average price of $18.50 to $19. But that would be my AMC predictions. We have everything lining up just absolutely incredible for AMC. We have institutional ownership as BlackRock, Wells Fargo, Deutsche Bank just hold increasing their positions 10, 11, 7%. just 56% buying huge stakes of this. We have institutional ownership, as they say, follow the smart money, even though that's not what I always say is the best thing to do, but they do move the market. And as you can see, they are net long, which means they have most of their shares long, even though they're hedge funds. That means they go short and long, so they're also short as well, but they're mostly net long, as they will make more money if it goes up. We have short interest increasing as well. If you look at short interest here on market beat and reported by Ortex earlier at 21% and now 20%. So we have interest going to about short interest going to about 20%, and increasing. So we do have it increasing now. We do have this recent report of it decreasing a little bit, which brings us to about 20% in about 2.1 days to cover at $19.48 price on report date for 2/15. So that's the last reporting. Of course, shorts are reported as a lagging indicator, and we can also use Ortex as well, which is reporting about 20% short interest. So that is the rundown for AMC. As you can see, we have many bullish structures on the smaller time frames, hourly time frames, and daily time frames. And again, the play out would be a high of $22 or a low of $17, average price above $18.50 and $19. So hopefully you found the video informative. That is the AMC rundown for on the earnings, everything you need to know. We're going to continue to cover the squeeze as it happens. I'll be streaming it on my Discord, probably shooting out trades, letting you guys know. Also, links in the description for free stocks, crypto, all of that good stuff. As always, have fun, stay safe, keep hacking, make money. Peace out. Hopefully you found the video informative. If you did, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe for more content, and as always, have fun, stay safe, keep hacking, make money. Peace out.